Have you ever wondered about the buzz surrounding cryptocurrency? It's more than just a trend. It's a groundbreaking innovation reshaping our understanding of money and transactions. Get ready to dive into this exciting world with enthusiasm. Today, we're demystifying cryptocurrency, explaining exactly what it is and how its underlying technology works in simple, engaging terms. Whether you're a beginner, a tech enthusiast, or an investor, this is your essential guide. At its core, cryptocurrency is digital or virtual money secured by cryptography. This encryption makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Unlike the physical cash in your wallet, crypto exists purely as digital data. It operates independently of a central bank or government, making it a truly decentralized form of currency. Think of it as money designed for the internet age, built on principles of transparency and security. The magic behind cryptocurrency is a revolutionary technology called blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger that is distributed across a vast network of computers worldwide. This ledger records every single transaction. Each new transaction is grouped into a block, which is then cryptographically linked to the previous block, forming a continuous chain. This creates an unchangeable and transparent record of all activity. So, how do transactions get added to this chain? This is where mining or validation comes in. Powerful computers on the network compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first computer to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain. This process verifies the transactions and secures the entire network, preventing fraud and ensuring integrity. One of cryptocurrency's most compelling features is its decentralization. There's no single authority, like a bank or government, controlling the network. Instead, it's maintained by its users. This means transactions are peer-to-peer, offering greater autonomy and potentially lower fees compared to traditional financial systems. It puts control directly into the hands of the individual. Cryptocurrency represents a paradigm shift in finance, offering potential for greater financial inclusion, faster international transfers, and enhanced security. It's not just about digital money. It's about a new way to build trust and value. It's fostering innovation across various industries, from supply chain management to digital identity. Understanding crypto is key to grasping the future of technology and global economics. You've just taken your first exciting step into understanding cryptocurrency and its foundational technology, blockchain. This digital revolution is still unfolding, offering incredible opportunities for learning and growth. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and stay curious about this fascinating world. The future of finance is here, and you're now part of the conversation.